This is Scion XB 2005, and it has a problem with instrument cluster. Check this out, it's not showing anything, and everything is like blinking and stuff like that. Check this out, it's blinking. Even though I give some gas, RPMs, it's not showing anything. So the capacitors are bad, and we will show you how to fix that. Okay, so we're gonna start by removing this part. You just pull on it and it comes off. And then there's one screw here, one right here, and the third one is right there. Pull it out, disconnect the wires. Then we gotta remove all the screws. There's like 4 of them. So we're gonna replace this one. It's a capacitor.
Just show the whole thing and where that is. This one. I'm gonna start with this one.
There's only like 2 wires that hold it, so it's not something difficult.
And it was facing this way. That way the positive was facing this way.
That's the capacitor. We bought new ones on eBay. They're like $10 or something for a pack.
So this is like, this one is 100 UF, 16 volt.
16 volt.
Just gonna get a little bit of flux. Just a little bit. Then I'm gonna clean it with the alcohol. Just gonna grab a little bit of solder. Okay. Now I'm gonna get some solder over there. Now it looks good. A little bit of flux. So the positive, this cut
Facing that way?
Yeah, this right here. See this? The little cuts. They order like this way.
Okay, so we replace this one, and make sure you wash it with rubbing alcohol before installation, because there could be oxidation from that flux.
Yeah.
So we connect it. As you can see, the gauges are not moving, which is a good sign already, because they were like shaking. Look, everything starting to work.
We're gonna give it the time and then come back.
Yeah, let's give it some time, and after a couple of days we will see the results.
It does work. So.
Okay guys, it's been like a week. Check this out. Let's start the vehicle. Turn on the lights. It's showing the gauge. It was not showing the gauge with bad capacitors. Check this out. Everything works. So I've been thinking, we only changed one capacitor, so if you change like all of them, all same ones, if you change them, it may even work better, like the lights and everything. We don't know exactly which capacitor is doing which job, so but as you can see, everything is working, which is great news. So if this video was helpful, like the video and also subscribe to my channel.